Are you still worried about the quality of our online products not being guaranteed? We use brand new high-quality raw material to ensure the performance of our products. After adding the necessary components, all the raw materials are mixed together in a high-speed mixer. The mixed powder material is heated and shipped in the injection molding machines, and then the skilled workers complete the production of the products. The finished products are inspected by our highly qualified engineers and undergo a variety of tests to verify their quality. Next, we will pack the products. If the customer requires customized services, we will first apply laser labels and then pack them in bags and boxes. The final step is loading. The workers will carry out the loading process quickly and carefully. Before you know it, the plastic pipes and fittings you purchased will be delivered to you.